Kuringana na Mucirithania wa IGOTI INENE Lawrence Mugambi, matetao na macira maria mandikithitio ni mbuto ya mawakiri ya Gachagua rungu rwa wakiri Paul Moite mari na uritu wa gatiba na uguo he bata ndundu ya acirithania atatu yombo ni Mucirithania munene Martha Koome. Akierekera mamwe ma mateta maria mawakiri ya Gachagua mahete muhari wa mbere ta mutaratara wa ugania wa mawoni ma muingi na uria munini wa president ageire kiene. Mucirithania Mugambi ugite uyu ti undu wa kuyo na uhuthu na ufatie gucirwo ni ndundu ya acirithania atatu.
The limited duration of 7 days to carry out the entire process was cited as having an inhibiting effect on carrying out adequate and meaningful public participation. The failure by the standing orders to integrate or provide for any mechanism for public participation and or a framework to credibly authenticate the outcome of public participation process were some of the issues that the petitioners raised as requiring serious circumspection.
IGOTI riugite kuhagurwo kwa munini wa president ni undu uraguciria gicunji kinene kia mawoni ma muingi ona matanya no akauga ni ciira uri na ciuria nyingi cia kana bunge ni yathaganitio wega kuhagura munini wa president.
It is not a question of a majority in the National Assembly for whatever reason saying we have no confidence in so and so. The fact that you may have the numbers does not entitle you to impeachment. There has to be proof
that notwithstanding the voting in terms of numbers in both the National Assembly and the Senate on the impeachment motion, if the jurisdiction of the court under Article 165(3) extends to interrogating the material relied upon under Article 45 and Article 145, so as to determine if the threshold to support the allegations was established either in the National Assembly or the Senate or both.
Kuringana na wakiri wa Gachagua Paul Moite, mawatho ma bunge mendekithitie thikũ 12 mbere ya bunge ya Senate yamukirite ikereka riayo, uguo akauga munini wa president ndari na mweke muiganu wa kuhaririria macokio.
And where the impeachment therefore is to remove from office those who were elected by the people. It's an extremely weighty matter.
In my view, despite stiff opposition by the respondents, it is my considered opinion that these petitions raise weighty constitutional questions that fall under Article 163(b) and D2. Hence, I am persuaded to refer them to the Chief Justice for empanelment of a bench. The lead petition shall be petition number E522 of 2024.
Kwambĩrĩria gatatu ga kiumia gĩũkĩte nginya aramithi, bunge ya Senate ĩgakorwo ĩgĩcira thitango 11 iria ing'etheire Gachagua, ĩndĩ ciikaro ici no cithiĩ nginyagia gatano na namba ya ira na ũira ĩngĩambatĩra.
As you have heard, though you are not judges and you are not advocates, there is nothing here.
Wakana tariki 17 kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 nginya thaa 7 mĩaraho, munini wa president agatemane ũira wake na thutha wa thaa 7 gĩikaro gĩa kũhũngwo mahũri kĩambĩkwo. Harĩ senators 45, 23 magĩregana na mũbango ũyũ Gachagua no ahonoke kũhagũrwo.
There was a lot of speculation that Rigathi Gachagua wants to resign. This is a man elected by 7.2 million Kenyans. How dare you suggest to him that he can do so without public participation?
I, Rigathi Gachagua.
No agĩhagũrwo gĩcunjĩ kĩa 149 gĩa gatiba kĩhete president thikũ 14 amũre ũrĩa angĩenda kũiyũkia ta munini wake, nayo bunge ĩhĩtũkie ihinda-inĩ rĩa thikũ 60.